Welcome to yet another Royal Family meeting. We gon' party till we can't no more. Welcome back, y'all. I'm glad to have y'all at yet another Royal Family meeting. If you are new here, welcome, new family member. We are glad to have you. It is I, your host, Quana Quana the Brat, Princess Quana to be exact, and I go by Baddie, and that's on that. Okay, so in today's meeting, Royal Family Baddies, it is a business baddie meeting, as you can probably tell by the title. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I figured out, oh my god, this took me so long, how I figured out to keep my stickers on my lip gloss tubes without them peeling. Speaking of lip gloss tubes, if you would like to visit the website or check out our Instagram, everything is in the description box. RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com, on Instagram, Royal Baddie Cosmetics, if you want to check it out and see what we offer and stuff like that, little clips that I be posting on Instagram and stuff. So yeah, really, we can just get right into it. Okay, so we gonna start off with the labels. This is my lip gloss that I made for myself. It is called Zodiac Bay. Okay, so now the numbers is just the sizes that I chose for the tubes. I wanted my stickers to be a certain way, not just flat in the middle. Y'all, I know this ain't the correct weeding tool. I lost the other one. I have another one on the way, but until that gets here, I will just use this. And I always do this because sometimes it make my stickers mess up if I don't get the tackiness off a little bit. Okay, that should be good. You want to make sure you get it on there really good so that it don't come up, especially like the edges. You're supposed to peel it off like this, not just peel it straight off. You're supposed to slowly . Now y'all, okay, I was having an issue, like after a few days the crowns would start lifting. Like, you see that the crown is lifting right there, and sometimes the crown never would even really stay down. Like, as soon as I would put it on, it would start lifting. So, and I kind of like it and I kind of didn't. Also, the bottom of the B would start lifting. So yeah, I was having trouble with the labels, and every time I would put the labels on, they would end up coming off. So I found that it is best to, right after you put the labels on, I got some stuff that I use for my nails. It's called Builder Base. And basically, I'm gonna do what I would do to my nails if I wanted to secure them. Now, you can put it, I'm finna show y'all. You can put it all around, or you can just put it on the edges. I like how it looks all around, so I put it all around. And you want to make sure that you don't clunk it up, because however you put it on there is how it is going to dry. So I start off by doing it around the edges first. Just to ensure that they don't come up. Because that was what the problem was. You want to try to do this as neat as possible, because that is how your tube is going to look once it is dry. So if it's clunky, then your tube will be clunky. Clunky. And try to make sure, it's just like nails. You want to make sure you don't have no streaks. So, and you want to make sure it's on how you want it to be on, because once you cure it, that's how it's gonna be, just like your nails. So now I'm gonna do the same thing for this. You can do a thin layer, thick layer. I think like a medium layer is pretty good. But since this tube is already hard, I don't think it matters thick or thin. Probably thin would be better. So yeah. And you want to make sure you don't cure around the tube, because you're going to close the tube shut. So this is the best solution that I came up with to stop my stickers from peeling. This is what it ended up looking like. And then the sticker, I just did this one, but this one I'm showing y'all, I already did this one. So this is what it ends up looking like. And it looks like it was printed on there, so that's nice. So Royal Family Baddies, I hope that y'all enjoyed this Baddie business meeting. If there was something that I did not mention in this meeting that you were thinking, drop it below in the comments. And if you like this type of content, let me know so I can keep pushing out the Baddie business meetings. And also, if you have a suggestion on a meeting that I should call, or a meeting that you would like to attend, let me know in the comments. And lastly, if you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibe, you can. All the links are in the description box. If you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibe on Instagram, you can at the Royal Baddie. And or if you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibes by listening to my vibes and catching my vibes that way, you can on YouTube at the Royal Baddie. If you would like to check out the website, it is royalbaddiecosmetics.com. It is in the description. If you would like to check out our If you would like to check out our Instagram page, you can. Royal Baddie Cosmetics. Everything's in the description box. And that's all for this meeting, baddies. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Mwah! Bye.
Whatever. I've had an over-the-top emotional breakthrough.
I'm thinking... maybe I should put on my red lipstick.